So, dapat po talaga, pag nag-worship tayo, huwag nating ibibigay sa Panginoon yung gusto lang natin ibigay sa Panginoon. Ibigay natin sa Panginoon yung dapat at karapat-dapat sa Panginoon. Naalala po natin ang story ni Abel tsaka ni Cain. Si Cain is worshiping God in his own terms, in his own liking. Kaya hindi nagustuhan ng Panginoon ang offering niya. Pero si Abel is worshiping God in God's terms. So we worship God in God's terms, not in our own term. Amen po ba? Okay. So what should be our final response? Kaya pa po? Konting points na lang po ito. What should be our final response or our proper response to the call for holiness through reverence? Una, He calls us to accept